Okay, so today we stopped at Bethune Grill, located in Daytona Beach. Man, I don't even gotta say much about these wings. Oh my God, I grew up on these wings, so I already know. But I brought a couple of my friends who never heard of it, who never been here. So check this out, man. Let's go.
Let's see what it's about. Yes, sir.
Make sure y'all get them honey wings when y'all come. Them things, that's what they known for. So let's go. Bethune Grill always been on the map, man. You feel me? Like, stop playing with Bethune.
Man, this is straight. You could walk.